Hi everyone, welcome back to Cloud Institution. So today we will see another chapter on the HTML. Also we have covered the what is the favicon, what is the image tag. Also we have covered the in the previous video I have covered the what is the block element and the also inline element. So if you haven't gone through it, you can go with the HTML playlist. So you'll find the sequence of the from introduction to the previous like everything. Okay. So now we'll see which is the chapter we are going to cover now. Okay. So now in this video we are going to cover the what is the list. Okay. So today I'll describe about the what are the list and what are the types of the list. Okay. And also we'll take a one practical for the first list. Okay, so one and in the next video I'll start with in this video I'll go with the order list, and in next video I'll go with the unordered list also, and I'll go with the in the next video I'll go with the description list. So here first of all we need to understand what is the list. Okay, so for what reason we are going with the list. So in the HTML, the list allows web developers to group the set of related items in the list. For example, you might have seen the in the restaurant, okay, so or in a hotel, you will get some kind of menu bars, right? So in that some kind of veg, non-veg and veg. So you might have seen, and also juice. So different kinds of table like lists are there. For the veg, there are some kind of food list is there. For non-veg, it is different kinds of list are there. Okay. So for the juice, there are juice list will be there. So the same thing I want to display in the web. Okay. So at that time, how can we do that one? So there are three ways we can do. One is order list, another one is unordered list, third one is description list. Okay. So what is the order list? So order list is so you can see it is having a OL tag. Okay. And and also in that OL tag it will be having another one tag is called list tag. The list tag which helps us to create the list. Okay, so here, what is this ordered list will always, the by default, it will start from 1, 2, 3 like this. Okay, so it is the list item will be marked with the numbers by default. Okay, so here you can see. By default, it will always starts with a 1, 2, 3. And next one on unordered list. Unordered list is also so you can go with a tag called UL, and also having the list inside that list tag. And this list will be always by default, it will be bullet only. In the small circle, it will be like, if you might have seen the bullets, like small circle, that is called as a bullets here. So description list, the HTML, this supports the description. Nowadays, it's supporting the description list. For example, the in the list, for example, I have wedge, and in that wedge, you will be having a different kind of again list will be there, right? In the wedge, you will mention like so bhaji and rice items, the different list again it will be there, right? In that bhaji will be having another list. Okay, for the rice item it will be having another list. Okay, so this is a description list. So the description list is a list of terms which description of each terms. Okay, so which use the DL and the DT tag and also DD tags. Okay, so for the DL tag defines the what a description list. DT tag defines the term. Okay, and all DD tag describes the each term. Okay, so that is what the description list. So first we will see with the practical on the order list. In the next video we will cover with the unordered list, and in another coming video we will go with the description list. Okay, so let's say with the practical. Okay, so let me go with the Visual Studio and let me create a one file here for order list. Okay, so .html. Okay, so shift plus one. Okay, and enter. And so now if I want to create a order list, okay, so there is a tag called OL. Okay, so OL is our tag, and inside this tag, I'll use the li tag. Okay. So if there is some shortcut keys also is there in the Visual Studio if you go with that. So li into 3. If I want a 3 list, I'll make it as a li into 3. So it will give me list of 3. Okay. So now I'll just make it as a hi. Okay. Hello and cloud institution. Okay. So here. And also if I want more list also I can add it. So again I'll make it as a into 3. So it will display again me 3 list. Okay, so here AWS, HTML, CSS. Okay, like this I can display. Okay, so let me save it. First, let me close the previous web browser and let me save it and run it. Okay, run without debugging and open with web Chrome. So you can see order list always starts from the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this is how the order list work. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is already like if you give the OL. Okay, for example, what if I don't give any OL? Okay, so whether it will take a by default or not. For example, I am removing the OL tag. Okay, now see, it will create only list. Okay, so but it won't be having a 1, 2, 3 here. So by default, it will take the the disk, okay, or you can say the bullet, okay, but there is no margin over here. It got removed that margin, okay. So that is what the order list. If you want in the 1, 2, 3 manner, then you can go with the OL, that is order list. I hope this video is helpful and you have understood what is the order list, and also you have understood the I hope you understood what is the list and what are the types of the list. Okay. So in coming video, I will cover with what is the unordered list. Okay. And so if you have liked this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit on the like button and also share. Thank you for watching, guys.